Welcome back to it, Mapagania.
We back with another
one.
one.
Bafethu, Sibuyile is fresh, Bafethu. Although it's a disappointing result, but Bafethu Sibuyile Zero podcast. We are here to unpack it all, Bafethu. Studio, Petu Coast to Grand.
Yeah, hey, amalanga awafani mapakani. Kodwa so right. Sikhale kakhulu.
So, alright. And then Mr. Mlambo Mnani.
Ngimnandi mabhakani akakapheli intanga.
Yeah.
We still have a game in hand. Ngimnandi, it was disappointing. We wanted to win, but it is what it is. Ibhola ntanga.
Ne?
Yeah.
Let's jump straight into it, Mr. Mlambo. I know yesterday you gave us your post-match analysis, but obviously after a game, sometimes you get to realize, and digest things. Maybe have you seen something different? Maybe that, that you want to change from your previous interview.
I think ngasha is Konkosini ntanga last time.
Yeah.
The game, it was not a bad game.
Yeah.
It was just a game ukuthi we were unfortunate in some instances, especially first half, but second half we were not too creative. But even in the second half, mase ngiyicheck via there are chances amancane avelile. Ngithola sibili on the side. Ngithola he could have scored. Mari kuzamile ukushaya amanye ama blocks, you understand. Kokomelo tried to play some balls phambili. Yeah, it was not too bad. Ukuthi nje we wanted the results.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, ndanga fana disappointing results in to obviously we won't be as we were before we went to the break. You understand that because obviously we just came back. But equally so, you can say Sekhukhune hasn't been playing as well. You understand in Dunjan. Peter Mogaba mfethu amabhakani yaphumile mfethu yangithola expecting a
win.
3 points yangithola in Dunjan. We slipped up mfethu, some of the players didn't show up, I was very disappointed with the outcome of the game and the performances as well,
Yeah.
we started the game well, but for some reason we didn't have that final touch, you understand.
Second half or first half?
First half was Telegram. I think second half.
Yeah.
Second half, and then I have questions as well with our starting lineup, but obviously we'll get to it when you go to your coach, but really disappointing. Coast, how did you see it?
Yeah, and then I think disappointing is the way Mfana. Lena, I was looking forward to the 3 points like all the Buccaneers. But yeah, I'm fit that result is like young Kenya, I'm fit like young Kenya, I'm fit. We didn't need that.
We didn't.
So like, this is a game we were supposed to win, and more so because Gonar Khutla. Imagine psychologically rates. So this is exactly how we started. Now we go to a break, we start like this again. So I'm getting worried. The next game, what is it gonna look like?
Yeah. And I think Mr. Mlambo mentioned it yesterday on his post-match that like Sekhukhune just came to defend yesterday. I understand. And to break them down like we normally used to with some of the guys that just comes to defend, we use individual brilliance. I understand.
Yeah, sure.
So questions there, because one of the guys that would give you that moment is Mboga is no longer in the team. I understand. It's something like a cheat code. If it's get out of jail free, I understand.
Yeah.
Relay is not there. Someone who can give you that thing. Although he came in late, our police is not there as well. You know what I mean?
Sure.
So I don't know, man. I don't know what to move going forward, but coach must find a way to motivate these players, man, and give us a better performance. Jumping straight to coach Mr. Mlambo. How did he perform yesterday?
I think Tangokuja uba motivator kakhulu labafana mele alungise tactical not motivation. Motivation that's ibonile ku brotherhood. He can motivate them.
Yeah.
Anyone ongenayo is motivated to play.
Yeah.
But like Ntanga, the way we start, mfethu, I always say this, some games are not the same.
Yeah.
Yabo, isikukune mfethu know ukuthi bayaskolota and esifuna ukubadla. So bangene lapha bayopaka ibhasi. Coach AP izinto akazenzayo mina sometimes I'm gonna tell you he's gonna frustrate you. It's good when it's working ama-formulas wakhe, but it's bad mayingaspan.
Sure.
As not sishini. Because Ntanga like ayispananga mfethu. First half ispanile. Yangithola. As much as usibilibili mekagcine kudala ukudlala, I think ispanile game plan. But what I would have liked ngisasho namanje Kokomelo nakaqale mfethu. Why mele uzumbeke ngaphandle? Mina my problem with coach AP Mapakani uthanda uku-experiment. We're not playing a cup mfethu. We're playing a league. So when we play a league, fanele sigrind. We don't want to win fancy, but we must know ukuthi akunala masotsha lawa azoqala mfethu. Siyaqeda. Manje ucoach AP uzokufakela lo uma ke kumgcine kudala ambuyise. Awu. Usibili ubuya kuyinjaka amqalise. Ayikuthi like we have problem with players coach, you understand?
Sure.
Kodwa like mfethu asibe ne direction.
Yeah.
You are a coach mfethu, you can't be always experimenting. Okay, on the league or on the cups we can give you that.
Try something, yeah.
But this is a league mfethu, sebenza
league,
ngama
sure.
points siwafake ebhekini.
Sure.
If you can check wonke ama team proven and tested the likes of Sundowns, they have for league banabantu babo ukuthi hayi lawa masotsha they
solid
kill them
11.
there.
Yeah.
Coach AP mfethu ayingamdaki ikhalithi span. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, and cause Ntanga mangibona starting lineup yangithola.
Yeah.
I wasn't so
Excited.
I wasn't so excited.
Yeah.
Cause I think Gustavo Bonimbile.
Yeah.
Master Chef is not there on the bench, you know what I mean? Who else was not in the bench? Uzonko of Koni.
Yeah.
Master Chef and who? I remember
was
another
Master
player.
Chef.
Was it him only?
Yeah, because Umbatha was there.
Umbatha was there.
China.
Yeah, Master Chef was not there, young tall.
Yeah.
Relay is not in the lineup, young tall. Police is not in the lineup.
Njani?
This guy brings on Billy. I mean, even the context the game. I mean, like Skukune for these guys at that time they were third or fourth before other results. You understand?
Yeah.
So mfethu, in my mind, I'm thinking this is a big game, coach.
Sure.
You can't put your big guns in for second half. And I listened to his pre-match conference. Some of the players were rested, were not even in the lineup because of they played a lot of minutes. Go AFCON.
Kodwa waphumulile mos.
You know, no idea. No Sbisi, no. Sbisi played a lot of minutes.
No
But also, Ntwana, while you are there, I get when they came back from that AFCON camp, all the players came back, but Bonaba fine extra time.
Yeah.
What was that?
Sure.
I mean, that should count to them getting some rest.
Mfethu like mfethu was KJP Ntwana like first ka line up mfethu like goes to mfethu this is the big game mfethu like
Sure.
this is huge one
was
so
a
like
big game.
it's not like we playing against a team in the bottom half yangithola.
Yeah.
This league libona they are in for the contention of that league
Competing,
yangithola.
Balo bayasidla.
But really bayasha even our track record there is not great, you understand? And then for you to come in Ntanga and then put Yawana Futi is throwing Sbilibili under the bus. Because let's be honest, young Zol, Sbilibili hasn't been doing even before that injury, young Zol. I think even Goose said it in the like or Sbilibili, you see him more as a right back.
Right back,
Zol.
yeah.
So and I think even PhD said it yesterday, Sbilibili is a right back, one Zol, because why? He attacks space.
It works and the
Yeah, so like Magahlala Pambili, there's no space to run to.
Sibasana.
When he holds the ball, that's where he needs to express himself. Azame ugenze, young John.
Yeah.
And to
Who
add
won't
to
be
that,
defend,
Ntwana,
young
you'll
girl.
see as well what Coach AP does. Second half, one dropper takes him to that position, which I think he knows very well, or this is his best position.
Yeah.
So I think it adds on to that.
Rating yakhe ntanga.
Mina ngizomgaya i-5 ingwenya mfethu. It's just an average.
Yeah.
Mfethu, yes, we gonna rate the coach when he's doing well, but sometimes mfethu he's not doing well. On that game, like specifically, it's ingathi overall. He must not be fired, eh? He must not be fired.
You're not at that point.
I am not at that point, I understand. But like you, it was average in town. Mina, introduction nakasibili I didn't see izinto ezibhaye ezi-wrong cause njengoba kutshela coach AP izoyenza izinto zakhe. But igame maselahamba ntanga sekafaka uMariko, akhipha uTito. I hear people are saying Tito was not playing. People, can you please go to the stadium when Tito is playing? Niyekele ukumbukela TV. Sizoyiqeda.
Nase TV ndoda mara uyambona.
And mesisonke for me.
TV.
Sengiyasho nje generally or like there is something ekhona for uTito engayazi. Ama two step ndoda abantu ba shift ndoda. Ibhola kalise side I think uphasa usibilibili for us to score BC couldn't score.
Sure.
Tito was there in the game, you understand? Coach AP keep Tito there mfethu. Mina ngiyacela urile ngithatha umise side kwamanye ama games. Yes, you can play him there sometimes, but on that game Tito was not supposed to go out.
Yeah. And we love Urele mfethu. We
Kakhulu.
know ukuthi he has the potential of surpassing even our in that position.
Most
Once he gets it right. But let's be honest, mfethu, he really hasn't done justice to that position. Whenever he's played there, young Todd,
Sure.
he hasn't done justice to that position. But Tito Masanganye mfethu, yesterday go. Mfethu, like, Saturday. Young Todd, he showed us mfethu, I own this position, young Todd.
And also here's this thing down. He's not bad as a 10. Uyadlala.
Right.
But uTito. But my thing is
Yeah.
uTito ntanga make ezongena noRile la. uRile athe side kuzoyenzakalana.
Sure.
You understand?
Umoshakala, sure.
As much as he
sure.
was playing, if ntanga mekadlala at high side mekuzomoshakala kakhulu because you have Apolis, you have Rile, you have Tito.
Yeah.
Ntanga mekuzomosheka.
Yeah. Tito mfethu, that's Tito's position mfethu, young Todd. And Tito to show that his position, man. Like he can't play any other position apart from that 10 position.
Sure.
And no one can play it like him.
No one can play it like him, mfethu, and so on.
Yeah.
So he gave us a performance, and he has goals in him as well. You know what I mean? So
No, I think if you would ask me, to Tito, we have a lot of people who can play 10. That go to me.
Yeah.
And so I think you guys also said Leti Chong can also do the
Yeah.
job. But now I think Tito is the guy that can do justice to that position.
Yeah.
Kamnandi.
Yeah.
Kamnandi.
And
Oh,
that's my best 10.
he does it, in fact. And at some point, he was on an amazing run. On so
Sure,
he
yeah.
was really on an amazing run.
But and I think that goes back to the idea to Coach AP in Donane, because this man, I think we even said it at the beginning of the season, or it seems like Ukaya gonna first level and doesn't seem to believe on the first level.
Yeah.
Like having a solid first 11 was, you would see, this is my go-to. We understand. He's chopping and changing every game. Every game he's doing something new. Well, but so I think I don't. For me personally, I'm not agreeing with that
Same.
formation. No? And so for me now, I feel like since Rebel 11, let's have our best 11, and then let's have the impact players from the bench. Let's not take a player that's worthy of being a first 11 remeko benching in the hope that he'll be an impact sub again. I want to change the game or win the game. And via on this game, I felt like he should have anticipated Mara. It's and it's possible they're gonna play a low block.
Yes.
How many teams have you played this season if it's a long low block?
Yeah.
For me, if they are playing low block, if I approach that game, I'm not gonna go maybe as Billy and Emiremi, because I know those are pacey players. It's gonna be difficult for them.
Sure.
But at least mawucale ngaborile yabo apolipoli
Yeah.
uyabo abantu abanoshukela bazophasa yabo, if there's no space to run uyakhona ukungena ashaya izinto yabo. So I feel like that should have been his approach.
That's a point.
Yeah.
That's a good point, in fact. And you know, even that Eric Tintlaka, you know, obviously when he plays against Pirates, he has that extra
Sure,
motivation
yeah.
to say my former team.
Sure.
So now you don't want to give him that slight hope. You
Yeah.
want to crush that thing. You know?
Yeah,
Sure.
yeah.
So Coach JP, if it to, I think Mr. Mlambo is lenient, Coach. What do you think?
Yeah, Lena, I'm feeling like he's being lenient. In fact. And to think what we needed that win.
We needed that win,
That was
in fact.
non-negotiable. In fact.
Yeah.
We had to
Sure.
come back with the 3
Manje
points.
nimupha ngakhi madoda?
Ne-2 ne-3 usayitholile. I mean, that's a 2-3 performance.
Yeah, that's
in
a
fact.
3
One, so-
performance.
Phela uyabona ukutshela iVAR intanga, if we're gonna win the league,
Yeah.
these are the results that we must grind
Most
for.
definitely,
You
yeah,
understand? These are the teams we must be beating. We can't be going there for a draw. Lebo Sundowns, in fact, when Sundowns, we should have beaten Sundowns, we played a draw. At the end of the season, then we lose
Counts,
2
yeah.
points or 1 point. Then you think back to these games. So if we go full force, in fact, these guys are going to defend, or we can see they are defending.
Yeah.
It's a defender, like a defender, say 3 or 2 possible. In fact,
Or istrike,
Yeah,
istrike
asikho.
sidingakala lapha. If uzofaka istrike kule game elisona njengoba ushilo. Hlangena ngithi sicla
Sure.
start.
Yeah.
Ubuthuma couldn't do anything and then
Yeah.
you can't blame on him. Ngiyangithola. Akuna space mfethu.
Sure.
Faka umuntu mfethu ozo njengoba ushilo apolisi
Really.
obani. Onomuremi singamfaka kulela game aqala but sazi ukuthi apolisi imfaka phakathi because apolisi doesn't lose the ball. At least sithola ama-foul abhaya. At least siyakhona ukumanyuva. Manje if uzoqala ngosikomota ofaka bombuthuma angeke isebenze.
Or if you cala ngabo mamkhipha le point yakho yomremi mina ngathi umremi akayofinisha lapho.
Yeah.
Because umremi likes shooting, uthanda ukushoota, uyabo. Let's say umremi you be the most forward guy. One thought. Yeah, we'll give you the balls, maybe you can turn and shoot and give us a goal.
And another thing is that in fact, we haven't took the league for so long. And so,
Yeah.
Yeah.
so in my mind, I'm thinking if it's gonna be like it
Close.
will go comfort if we have like Pafanyana, you know,
Yeah,
maybe
yeah,
like a 4 points lead, you know,
Sure.
because I get it, these guys they don't have experience of
Yeah.
doing this. You know, sometimes in fact when they go in gets tough, you know,
Sure.
pressure, experience come into play. You know
Yeah.
what I mean? Yes. And you know, Sundowns have done it many years
Yeah.
before. You know,
Sure.
you can easily capitulate and so lose Sundowns cover it. But at least when you have that 4 point, you know, 5 point Pafanyana.
Yeah.
Even when you sleep up, you know, it's okay, still.
Yeah.
You know, I have something. But now the way it is now, it's a little tricky though. And I want to it's a little tricky for you to until our next game. It's a must win. It's a must win.
If it meaning in Kenya ukuthi chase Sundowns. Let's not be behind Sundowns. We
Yeah.
needed
Yeah.
to be on top, at least bona ba chase it.
Sure.
Yabo. Once baphezulu, eish. Labantu
Abasuki.
fethu bazoba kuzoba nzima ukuthi sibasuse. Yabo. So eish, it's a bad situation to be in.
It's a bad situation to be in. But it's not
Not too bad.
Yeah,
mfethu.
it's
bad.
It's not all
too bad.
lost.
It's
yabo.
Kumele alungise nje ucoach.
But I agree with the trend, and I give him the 3 as well.
Yeah.
Moving right along to Sipo Chain in the didn't have much to do.
Yikho into ebhaye yenzile ngiyangithola.
Work from home.
Work from home. Kumele alibambe nje aliphose adlale lapho but there was nothing much. Ngomguy 6 nje for ukuthi mekala.
Like a present, yeah.
Yeah,
Agree
I
with
can't
the
argue
6.
with that, yeah.
Yeah. Moving right along to Red Back Van Roy.
Van Rooyen.
A second.
It's my favorite player ndang. But I think yesterday Saturday he was average.
Yeah.
I wouldn't say wow.
Yeah.
But it like he wasn't having a good game or a bad game.
Yeah,
Mekakhona nje lapha makumele ayenze. I think I know his potential ndang. I can go far than what he gave us. You understand? Or maybe ukuthi ibhola medlalele afinde esikhukhune first half angazi but like for me it was just average.
Yeah. So do you think you saying he's a favorite player? Do you think he's the best right back that we have at the moment? Like when you compare him to others?
It's Libito. That's why I'll say
you.
this. It's Libito. But like amanye amagame ayahluka because leya yi-inverted yabo. Thanda ukungena phakathi kakhulu. So if sothola abantu esingakhona ukuthola iline, sizofuna yena ukuthi alifake phakathi. Rather than Libito. Libito uthanda iline. You understand? But it's Libito number 1.
Maybe it's on
Yeah.
Do you know why he was not in the team? Because I think he was one of the players that was not even on the bench.
the
I
bench.
don't know.
It's just maybe coach selection.
maybe
Because
umrestile
indaba
coach
ngimthukela via injury because ungathola ukuthi injury yamazi ulibitso naye.
Yeah.
He's injury prone. Yeah.
coach
Nah,
AB
but I
maybe
thought because they
umrestile
haven't been playing as well.
umrestile coach
Phela ulibitso ndoda unokulimala ekitchen nje athi uyokha amanzi lapha. Mfethu awuthele hayi naliphatha injury mfethu.
For me, I think Mfethu is my favorite as well. One of my favorite, and I think
yeah
for me he'll be number one in that position in terms of picking order. So,
yeah
yesterday didn't do justice to the position. It was just average. I don't think there's too much there to get from Van Rooyen. Moving right along to CBC.
sibisi ibhodlela la
Ibhodlela la.
washo imbukazi athi insizwe ezilwayo that guy intanga is a war yabo ibhande le pirate lamfanele I understand because I'll always say this he's a professional when you need Sibisi to be there it's gonna be there maka score baba kora ngwenya
hey.
funda ukukora yazi for you to be a best defender ne Sibisi has everything you understand amasekumela makhe okay nokuba namaphutha wakhe he's also a human being but scoring chance ugcine nini ukuthi ayikora Sibisi namhlanje like just that thing ngentanga you understand for us to win we have to have different scorers you must not depend ku Riley Police Moremi nabo mele bascorele TLP used to do that
Yeah. Ayakoro ubhodlela abantwana bayodla emoli
mfethu akakore ihewa leli mfethu
Hey dude.
okay le lokuqala ke maybe ngathi lifasi sebathi ngiyamzwela ngathi leli su idla sikhulu angeke ubeka inyawo kanje uphasa ugoalkeeper yeah but he had a good game I understand ngikhala nje ngalezo zinto lezi zithu ngizomka i6 maybe I would have given him an 8 in terms of defense ngithola ukuthi mekara but lama chances akawa Messi lentangaye angikwadisi
Yeah, I agree with the 6 as well. Like he didn't have too much
Defensive
to move,
work,
you
yeah.
know. He was supposed to bury that chance, like bury that chance, like bury that chance. No, it's easy as that. You can't miss it. No, it's one. It's not even 2 yards. It's 1 yard. Come on, Dwana.
Yeah, lahlela yonke
Dwana. Come on. It score that chance. I think I'll minus a 1 there, man. Go. Come on. Dwana speaking to win like email. You're not this depressed.
Sure.
Body on a happy move. It's let out cost illegal.
Yeah, ngabe ne coach ayina warning no mfethu ngabe samjabulela u coach ABC right. Simthatheli wani ubhodlela simthatheli. Ubhodlela siyancanya uyazi nawe mara siyayithatha le wani.
Siyayithatha le wani.
Ngoba explain ngiyamncane abanye explain bathathela nje.
Awuthethi yazi ubhodlela lapha.
Yeah.
Moving right along to UCM and
libone CM I think yamkhumbula umbokazi uyasho ukuthi uTLP ukuphi manje but is football ndanga yabo but I think boy is good mfethu boy is good what I like about uCM inyawo zakhe zilula ukuthi adlale second he can anticipate now he's not doing ama wrong yabo eqaleni mikayenza ama wrong njengoba mengihlale ngikhala manje akasawayenzi which is an improvement esiyibonayo I understand but yesterday naye same as Sibisi there was nothing much to be done from their side. Defense nje kakhulu. But I think he was slightly better than Ubhodlela. Ngamguy 6 or 7.
Yeah. I agree with you as well. And I think you could see he missed someone to play those diagonals. He missed to hold danger. But you could see he's trying. Those are the type of defenders that we need when you're playing against the low block, someone will take the ball and drive forward with the ball.
Sure.
So with CBC, we know CBC, we love CBC, but he'll play simple passes. So it's not someone who's gonna carry the ball and say, I'm taking responsibility. So Ashimfana is still going to miss that guy. TLP.
TLP is
like
one of a kind. Perfect Terry.
Like those are superstars.
And over the omunki left, omunki right.
Omunki left, omunki right.
And they don't give us izinto ezinhle when we mark kuphela. even when you go
forward,
forward.
Yes.
Yangithola.
I mean, that's precisely where I am. I want to playing against teams who don't have interest in going forward. You know, they don't have ambition.
Sure.
We need those guys. So
Yeah.
those guys, even Coach Leonard have ambitious to say, maybe say defending six. I
Sure,
want
yeah.
help maybe Makaola there.
Yeah.
Stop being there at the back.
Sure.
Obviously, when he's closer to the goal,
Yeah.
can even shoot and
Yeah.
scream, or you know, just
Yeah.
like that.
Yeah.
So I think well, he deserves a rating above average performance, a 6.
Yeah.
And
I would
and
agree.
then moving on to Undaba.
Nah, bomkhulu. And I'm happy for the boy at least ukuthi sekayaqala yabo.
Yeah.
At least it's something, there's an improvement. Yang understand. Yes, ube nama mistakes wakanda amahlash nyana, yang understand. I think 2 times, but I think uboy naye masiya phambili. I think siba ne speed intanga on the left. Second half angibonanga kakhulu, but first half intanga ngapha on the left. If Undabuda, at least if you have Ndaba, you have Moremi, you can see ukuthi we're moving, you understand. But it didn't have a marvelous game, didn't have a bad game for me. I'll give him a 6 now.
What do you think of the 6 and that?
Yeah, I think Upoy Ngimbonile, I think he was linking up nicely Nomremi. I think they have a good relationship. Or it's starting to form and it's showing on the field as well. So Undaba, I mean, it's one of those players that I have a lot of hope kuye yabo. And I trust ukuthi we still gonna see the best of Undaba. Yabo. So yeah, for the game Skukune, yeah, could have given us more.
Yeah.
Could have given us more. But yeah, in terms of his primary job defending, he didn't have a lot to do.
Yeah.
Then yeah, ngimbonile ya phambili lapho nalapho. So I think yeah, you can give him a 6. You can give him a 6.
Yeah. Fetu, our coach, Fetu, he must decide if he wants this league or not. I like Ndaba, I like it as well.
Yeah.
But I feel like in big games, I understand, you must bring your best players. I think if you were to put the coach here and ask him between Otto and Ndaba, who's your best defender that you trust, you know, he'll probably say Tien Otto. You know Otto has his mistakes, you know how he is sometimes, he does his own things. But in this game, I'm expecting to see your Dion Otto because that's your best defender.
Yeah.
Now he's still inexperienced. Okay, he has potential, young. And in the near future, I foresee him really taking over that left back position. But is he ready yet at this point in time? I don't think so. So Coach AP now, he must decide whether he wants this league title. You can't take these games for granted. Now I can't fault him much. But that guy should have played with you. Even productivity, as we said, it's been affected because he can't play those diagonals.
Yeah.
I think also, sometimes he'll do his own thing, but goes to sometimes he can create 2 or 3 chances in this game. So maybe one would have been put in the back of the net. Now I won't give you much offensive. I want to be there defensive. And I think even yesterday was the same thing. He didn't do much. Apart from playing safe passes, I didn't see him overlapping much as well, I think it's I don't think him and Moremi are a best combination on that left hand side. Because he wants to hog the touchline. Moremi also wants to do the same thing. Understand or no? So I think also being an experienced player, someone who can tell Moremi, head them from the inside. Let me take the touchline.
Yeah.
But if you have 2 inexperienced players there, they'll do the same thing over and over again.
Yeah.
That's a good point in Tangas.
So I think Coach must take us serious. Coach AP, I'll start to serious. That Ray will take it to a 2.
But I think the coach must be reminded that he can be fired.
It's not too late.
Not too late to be fired. That's true. It's not too late. It's not too late. No, we're not there.
Yeah.
I think he has enough credit in the bank, but he must be careful. He must be careful.
Yeah.
And then moving on to our defensive six, we had Nkehleni Makaon.
Stina saka mahlalela.
Cashman.
Yabona leya, I'll tell you. I don't know, especially first half amabhola ka wini langakanani Ghost.
Yeah.
Second ball layer out layer is the master of second balls.
Sure.
There's a foul, we should have said it's a foul. I think uthinte leya kancane.
Yeah,
What
yeah.
it's a foul? That's not a foul. That's the reason why Stina Kamahlalela won the middle fielder of the year last season. I'm telling you, ushalezo zinto. Yabo Ghost lela ikhonman. Make khona lapha you can see ukuthi okay, there's a structure here. You won't see him moving, going, cause ukhathele na sekasicabangela. He anticipates the play. Ukuthi ibhola malera ngizomove nje kancane. That's why he
Sure.
can win those balls. Okay, the only thing akayenzile maybe wrong nasikhathi kathekwa, nasikhathi ngikhala ukuthi urile waya ngapush.
Yeah.
Lapha pasa I think umremi it was an offside. That's the only thing. But I think Mina he played so well. Yes, there was nothing much to be done on his side, but Mina each and every game I would like to see Stina Mahlalela da. Sibadala sibancane.
That's what.
Cashman. Yeah.
And I'll give him a 6 in town. I'll
Yeah.
give him a 6.
Yeah, I think
But
that's.
I knew futhi.
I think that's a fair rating, 6 in fact.
Yeah.
As well, it didn't have much to do. I
Yeah.
feel like it
But
had,
second balls he wins them.
second balls, yeah,
Yeah.
he won a few of those, you know. And I think his relationship, no ready, no
Mbatha.
talent, you know, it's very important because it throws back to last season, you know what
Yeah.
I mean. So I think Cash is good as well that is at least is getting minutes after the long-term
yeah.
injury, you know, considering his age, you know. Is someone who can sit on the bench. No, he needs to play because time is not on his side. But I agree with the 6, Ghost. Do you agree with the 6?
Yeah, no, I think 6 ihleli mfana. Not much to add apart from what you guys have already said. I'm happy to see Cash Money on that
Cash.
defensive 6 mfana
They play
skateli
ball.
man. Yeah.
Are you really happy, Ghost?
Really, but I wanna Cash it on. Like I was happy with him
This
Saturday.
guy is not happy. Ngisakhumbula Ghost, angitsakhumbula
Yeah, yeah.
Usasenayo lento leyo.
Akakayenzi.
Cash money, hayi akaboni umsebenzi wakhe.
No, angisekho la.
Awusekho la.
Angisekho la, mfethu, Ghost. I know, me and Ghost, mfethu, used to share the same sentiment. You know?
Angithi ngizwa ngendlela ombuza ngayo ukuthi are you really happy Ghost? Awumthembi.
Unang-confirm. I'm happy school. I'm happy school.
Moving on, Ghost, to your favorite player who the talent Mbatha.
I'm a talent wafan.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think talent was good on Saturday. He had a decent game, not excellent or where we would like him to be, but na umunyo libela ngathola ama minutes enough. Oyabo. So mina, I'll always vouch for Mbatha to start. When I think he was one of those players that gives you everything, especially as a midfielder, you know. So, yeah, yesterday nje, for the overall performance of the team, it was, I think, even if you can check the tone, manje, Kalabo 6. So now I think na mudlalela da nje bo 6. Like it was just the overall performance of the team nje wasn't that high lapha sifuna khona. So, yeah, but also buyu talent.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, I think Ndwana, like, he played well, as Ndwana. Okay, him and for me, and Tito as well, you know, are the two that shines kancane. Maybe
Just
Tito,
above.
maybe Tito edges Mbatha, yabona.
Yeah.
But for me, if it's he had a decent game, he
Yeah.
was trying. You could see,
Sure.
Another 1-2, okay, Mbatha is in the field,
Sure.
danger. So yeah, it's a strong 6 for me.
Yeah.
For you, Mr. Mlamo.
Nibekile madoda. Ama-talent awafani. He was
Yeah.
not marvelous. Dog.
Yeah.
Yeah, but he was there.
Sure.
And it's Tugile, not Mabemkeep. Go JB, man. -1. Sekanangaki?
Sekakuwa.
Sekaku-1. Mama ngithe 5. Mina buma 4. Ntanga Mbatha uphumelani. Ithi nginiboniseni bafethu. Ukhipha uMbatha kanjani lapha ngoba uvalekile ngithi.
Yeah.
Umuntu ozoshaya uzomtholapi.
Eish,
Mariko
no
got
one.
that. He couldn't execute that because it's not his strength.
Yeah.
Angeke simkhalele. Mind you, if Mbatha utholile yanto, kuzophuma enye intukunturu kube sijabulile namhlanje
Never,
3
yeah.
points, you understand? So coach naye lento leyo ku-experiment mfethu, we not in physics here, sise-groundini laphaya mfethu, dlala ibhola, you understand? Mfethu akayenza izinto ezibonakalayo, hayi lezi zinto zakhe. I think Bata played so well, ngizola a strong 6 nakimi. Yeah.
This guy, do you think he has something against talent?
And Tito, say it.
We'll go to Tito as well. Because like I can tell you now, Ndwana, the reason Mbataki name was that Masindi was on suspension. If Masindi was there, and mind you, Masindi hasn't been having a best performance.
And it's not football politics, Lawa Nema Pagani. He's just stating a fact.
Yes, Ndwana, I want to like it. Let's face it, but Masindi has been off form. He plays Masindi 90 minutes. Rather than him sapping Masindi, rather change his position, make him maybe a 10 or make him a defensive midfield. But he can't do a mistake. Once he does a mistake, it's out.
And if he doesn't do a mistake,
I was a coach I hope he takes this league. My patience is running out.
I think these things we don't mind them if he continues winning.
Yeah.
Then it's fine. But if you're gonna come with a draw now, we're gonna now start voicing these things. Or you are Tesha.
Sure. Unfortunately, that's just how it is. You know, that's the aim of the game is to score and win games. Yeah.
We win the 3 points, game in hand. Yabona nathi relaxing. Manje sidlala under pressure now.
Yazi Kenya kanjani isipanini namhlanje ofisini
Yo.
Amakhosi kapha. Amasandawana.
Mina ngukutshela from ekuseni mangiphuma endlini yo bajabulile bazocama ukuthi uzowina every day. Yo.
I don't know if you do my posing in the Tagalrata. You wanna like a junta msiare. Yeah, what I'm quite I ain't kidding. I was Mr. Quet.
I'm gonna push the coffee.
You don't say Rocky Sola after Rocky.
Ipailila chiksa siyehli subo.
Moving on to our left wing, Mr. Mlambo, Muremi, yeah.
Muremi uya foster mfethu yabo lezi eyifoster direct ethi we found out something nasikhatsibukela igame le direct angeke ubona marakhatha lapha amadolo yiwa le ndoda lapha kudlalwa ghost lapha sifuna ukukora yabo and I saw ku brotherhood umbokazi ushilo ukuthi uthe bangifuna ukushaya bangakadlali ukuthi ini. That's what I like about him, and that's why like it's our shining star now because he are forced. But other games we don't need that, and they ichuthi akabantu yaka coach to see that. Yabo akusijuthi akamremi angithi umremi yena strength sakhe ukushaya. He won't change himself. Coach you see ukuthi okay ama tactics aso ithi ngimbambe because uboy kule game leli ngeke abe effective because there is no space lento moyisho ngospeed bit. Ithi ngimbeke ngaphandle ngifaka bokhokhomelona bayolala abantu lapha ngamavalo. You get what I mean? I don't think he had a bad game, especially first half, but he didn't have a good game either. You understand? Muremi was there mfethu. Yangithola offside. Yo, it was frustrating. Offside. You understand that if lawa offside lawa yami kakhona ukwathi Macron could have scored 2 goals or 1 goal. You understand? He didn't have a bad game, but did have moments which were frustrating. Zomkai 5 now.
That offside thing, man. You know that offside thing. You know sometimes when you're playing against the team, maybe the masters, you know, playing against under 17s, you know. And then these masters, they beat them with experience. They play high line and they
Sure.
caught offside. No, that's how I felt.
It was like that.
Like him, Remy Garo I like it's about offside. It's about offside. I mean, this guy has speed. In fact, he can afford an extra yard behind. I mean, someone mentioned it. I mean, those are basics. You don't need to be at the top level too. Like even Arabona, sometimes I pendela ka mo Arabona.
Sure. And now when you do that, it's also even difficult for the linesman because all born or one turn,
Yeah.
taking that run. So I got so emissated flag.
And another, I think he must do something. He must do something. He can be caught. But like literally why beat him? How about I shy on Kara? We beat offside. Come on, turn a frame. Come on. Those are basics. You can be arguing at the basics. And if not to 2-3 balls, Lena Nagar win like it.
Yeah, there could be one goal. Yeah.
Because they kept on looking for him.
Sure.
In fact, Mremi Fetu, I don't know, guys. You know, I think Mremi Fetu can't he akazama that false 9 position, you know.
Yeah.
His speed, if it really crack high.
Orata goal.
Orata goal. And you shoot the ones all like that. So a player like that can be very dangerous. If we put him there,
no.
And that's
don't
what
you
I
think
said.
he'll be dangerous?
When I said that earlier, Anton, I think you would have thrown Mremi up front.
Sure.
For me, I feel ngathi ngeke be effective njengoba khona esayidini. You know why ngisho kanjalo? Because lapha ya siba ne false number 9. Sifuna mfethi clever, umuntu okhonayo ukudlala yanganda hayi umuntu ozojika nebhola afuna ispeed sakhe. Because ispace incane. But esayidini uyakhona ukugijima, that's why ayenza so. I think manje false 9 tang. Uzoba ne space esincane.
Not even false. Ngifuna ukuthi alibele yazi afuna ukudlala ama 1-2. Abela nje, yabona in that defense. One mistake.
Number 9.
Number 9. It bang a lot of goals if it's
plus coach new experiments. These are the experiments that he should be making.
Sure.
Yeah, and they will be justifiable. Lorna will say, Rabona, what are you trying to do?
Because look at it this way, coach. Like
ngizomela bamphathe ku left so lokukuvala. Shukuthi lonke ibhola yena mele balise ku left.
Oh.
You get what I mean? So make lapha ya. You must be able to play more right.
Yeah, that's also a point.
Now was komota ukuthi awu left power wire spa.
No, but the thing is, abaspan. Kodwa like uMremi like you
left. Yeah, ke lotwana, yeah.
Yeah, ngithola u right wakhe uweak wakwambona khahlela ngo right.
Hayi.
Hayi
kutswana. I mean, I'll take that point.
Yeah.
Yeah, ke lotwana Mremi. Ke left ye lo bola etla ka mo right to transfer ka left. One two.
He's that left. Even our striker. Some still say, use the left foot. I think if this style this guy is on target. Become right thing. I think he'll hit it. I think he'll hit it. Okay, all right there.
Sure.
But that shouldn't be the only factor, or you can't try him there because it does never right.
Sure.
But if he'll he'll come up with a play.
And you were saying when would make a go right wing, he's not effective. You were saying that.
Yeah, no, I'm still saying it.
So goes in yakutshela sizomlimita if simbeka la. Sometimes uzomela umguy pass ku right. Uzofuna ukubuya futhi sokoka nini isikhulu.
Phela umuntu onjalo wena Mr Mlambo kapaya molifake phambili. Yes, too much speed ukuthi mfethu. Makafika la. Uyebhendela epalwini unlike ukwele emuva yangizona into enjani. That's because mfethu look at it. Ucoach Ndanga like une dilemma mfethu yangizona like on that left hand side if it has too much quality you don't know who to play. That's why Relay has been tested there on the 10 position because Tako lefty
no Mremi
because there's Mremi there's Akolisi ones like the coach try to come up with something if it we inventive to say okay we can't drop Mremi because it's effective. Let's try him there and put Relay there, and put a policy there, there should be a way to play all three, because we need all three in the field. And Relay is not doing okay. Razamo Kenya Relay, but we see the game setting
sure.
Put Relay in his position. We know Cocomelon in this position.
Amavala zophuma lapho.
Simbizu Cocomelon kanje namhlanje. It's because he's been playing that position.
Yeah.
One thought. Put him there. Put Mremi there in the front. I mean, Skomota is not doing much. Mutuma is not doing much. Try something different.
All right, definitely. I'll concur, Fana. He can try him there.
You know what I mean? Moving on to the right thing, Sbilibili now.
Sibilibili siyabila madoda.
Yeah.
Sibilibili into angayazi uyu umuntu ocishe wasilethela igoli kulela game la Saturday. To check it.
That
Uyo phasu yasekazi leya. Uyo phasu ubhodlela ngombhunzi athi idla ndoda. Ubhodlela yahlulela.
Nice.
Yabo mabemisa ku right back futhi. I-point lelo ukuthi usibili ma ku right back kune space esibhaya of running. Because first half what I saw meka yenza meka inverter kakhulu angena phakathi if ungacheka uma umthola phakathi. I even thought ukuthi first 25 minutes I even thought ukuthi udlale sense. You understand? But first half it was not marvelous. Ile yanto leyana nje yaka ubani yaka bodlela. Wazama ukushaya amancinci. Na second half it was just average nje usibili ngizomgaya 5.
I think you're lenient, mfana. Yo, Sbilibili, mfana. Yo,
Uyenzini?
Sbilibili, yeah.
No, see, he wasn't too bad. He wasn't a pelado.
Ntwana, like Ntwana, I made that point. I don't want to see Sbilibili right wing Ntwana anymore. Ntwana. I don't want to see Sbilibili at that. Like Sbilibili has been off form for quite a while, if it was all. And let's face it, Sbilibili Ntwana had a few games, had a few good games, and I'll move form one all. Ever since that, his form of it. It's shocking, it's shocking. One thought to be in the lineup, in the game of this magnitude. One thought again, coach is making us to fight with our players. He shouldn't be there, Sbilibili.
Yeah,
he shouldn't be there. Let's be honest. One thought Sbilibili won't give you much. I don't want to see him there. I'm done with that experiment. I'm done. Right back is his position. If it was Sbilibili, I think someone said it to Sbilibili in the game. I think it was about 60 minutes. Like he's not doing much in Doana. He just runs there. He just runs. It's that one moment.
Na second half.
Even
second half,
that was right back.
Right back,
So that's just those two moments.
But don't you think first half na impact of vehicle skomota na sha right wing ile na kiro
Mega that's why mega zama ubheke njengoba ngisho mega inverter ngene phakathi kakhulu usibili. That's why mega ngathi udlale sense. That's why you see uSkomi there.
SIT.
He was not that bad ngendlela ngisho.
Yeah, that's why nami
not too bad.
I didn't feel ukuthi he was terrible the way ukhala ngakho.
No, Ntwana. And I'm not saying he was terrible.
Okay. You're
I'm
just
just
not
saying
happy with
I'm
that
done
selection.
with that experiment.
Okay.
It's like it's not working. And that's why Linda Nick Bona line up. Okay, it's fine. Mara, I think Sbilibili had that thing. Sbilibili is not supposed to be in this lineup. Upuma, like what has he done to end
You must end
a starting lineup?
Sure.
Possible to really is there.
-1 from
-1 to the coach. Like serious.
Mina kimuku 3 phela nina nimise ku.
Fan, I'm just done. Coach AB, if you're listening to this, please, can you play players in their positions? How would you rate him?
I think 5 is fair. For now, I'll take a 5.
Yeah. 5. I know you're 4 for me.
4.
Below average. Yeah.
That's your lowest rating so far.
Yeah.
That's your lowest rating so far. What do you play?
Let me think about Coach EP maybe is on that. On the players.
Yeah, on the players.
Yeah, how much did I give Ndawa?
Ndawa, you were not happy with Ndawa as well.
Yeah.
Okay.
Moving on to Tito.
Tito.
Abazomzonda baze bamthande ngisasho namanje.
Yeah.
Mina ntanga kusuthando it's what the guy gives. Yabona ntanga kunabantu labo ma school ukuthi le ithanda ibhola. And nebhola liyamthanda.
Sure.
Kodwa ukuthi ucoach uyenzani? Mina ngazi. I'll hear people say Tito didn't have a good game. Where can you find the number 10 in the box? Our box goes
Sure.
to there. Ibhola liyaqala la lo muntu uyagijima sekale. Guys, Tito is something else.
Yeah.
Danga kunalezayo ithi yamlandela uyibhekile athi 2 step. Achieved. Uyangithola and mina ngiyakhala. I think ucoach AP ulimits no Tito. First thing first, Tito doesn't get minutes.
Yeah.
Then Tito when comes in, we expect Tito to do wonders.
Sure.
Secondly, Tito akaligibele. Cause mina ngiyayidinga ridings. That's Tito mfethu.
Sure.
uTito like nalawo ma player lawo. If igame akuselaka akaligibele kancane ayenza izinto.
Abuye.
Uzombona uzobuya. Tito doesn't give you that anymore. Like ngathi useboxing Ghost. And you see, for me I don't see a happy Tito. Rivero will give us that Tito. Mekayivusa lento ku Tito. But this one ngathi uyamtshela, hey Tito, I don't need this thing of yours. We don't need that.
Yeah,
We need
but we have Kumbulu Jose Vega encourage.
encourage
Express
that's-
yourself.
that's
Yeah.
Our
There's-
Orlando Pirates. Tito
yeah.
is not expressive now. Tito is going out. Imiyenzani leyo nto? Yes, unenhliziyo. But ngisadlala coach. Ngicine nini? Anyanga ku AFCON. Uyangidonsa.
Hey, you're raising some very questions, you know.
And I mean, I'm
people-
willing to bet in Taraguti. Tito is one of the most fittest players in our squad.
In our squad.
guys,
In the league, my man.
To sure.
In our squad.
Chief.
In the league.
So you can't even say I'm keep Ukatelo.
Sure.
That guy is always running.
Mfethu abantu banento no Tito engayazi. Eyabo leyo. But my guy, if ibola like it uyalithanda ne Pirates uyayithanda, you'll want to see a Tito there. Ambulance, emergency. That's the emergency. Okay, into angayimprove ngayo maybe ukushaya. Ukushaya epalini kwakhe is not good. But in terms of covering the kilometers, trying to make the team play, that guy is marvelous. Nale bola kalibuyisile first half, alphase esayidini mfethu. Those kind of moments, I'll still say it's okay. Bafethu cela nini stadium nobukela uTito Maswangane ngoba nimbone TV nje. Mbone lokho enifuna ukukubona. Yeah, I understand. But for me, he was the best player for us. Like ntanga was ntanga ngikhalile ntanga mabekhiphi ambulance ukuthi kanjani manje. Ufaka uMariko.
That's why I saw ukuthi we are not getting the 3 points. La. I keep put it.
Then ufaka uMariko. Umariko ungene Tito neo kubani?
Umariko ungene Lumbatha.
Umbatha.
Oh, Maro Tito umkhiphela.
Tumkipela and you guys
Because Muremi is not playing. Don't Muremi ke if so angithi ufaka uReal.
Net defend ungayidonsa mfethu. Why simele sibe yi4 lapha emuva and we
No,
are
nah,
facing no
16
threat
mfethu.
mfethu. Take one of the defenders out
That's
mfethu.
why I told Five, we don't need the mentality to be motivated or what. We need tactics.
Sure.
Coach ozokhona ukubona mfethu.
Yeah.
In the second round of the season Tanga, we can't experiment now. Now we have to go. Now we have to tick now. Tanga. Tito was my best player. I'll give him a 7 Tanga.
You guys are raising some very like a crucial points one time.
Yeah.
Tito can't express himself anymore.
He can't.
Yeah.
And even this coach, he said it.
Yeah.
He doesn't allow Saka's football, you know. Like
That's us.
That's us.
That's us.
So like Tito Maswangane, there is no best 10 go Pirates. That's his position.
I'm saying it. I'm saying
No
it.
Every Tito Maswangane gives you everything.
Yeah.
He's fighting for this
Hearts.
catch.
Sure. Perfect 10.
Remember Ndwana, at some point, there were conversations to say, can't we give Tito this number?
Number
10?
10, yeah.
Those conversations, they didn't just happen.
Sure.
Tito used to give us
You know why?
consistently excellent performances.
Yeah.
And then you get this coach.
Yeah.
This coach he doesn't respect Tito. Let's be
Doesn't.
honest. He doesn't
Yeah.
respect
Jose
the guy.
respect.
Tito.
Sure.
Exactly.
Tito is a senior.
Yeah.
He's a senior.
Police. Yazo simthanda kanjani kodwa mekumela siene lesa scheme lesiya from
Sure.
Tito because Tito didn't get minutes mfethu this season.
Sure.
Tito uzohlala 3 games abuye kwelesi 4 zozo mabhakani. Hawu Tito akadlali. No
Yes,
guys,
mfethu.
this
And that's
coach,
unfair.
This coach is unfair on Tito.
He's unfair on
Ukhona
Tito,
ukudonsa uTito
mfethu.
nge-34 minutes kodwa uMasindi noma ngadlala kanjani ngeke amdonse.
Sure.
Kodwa whoever
Yeah,
noma-
remember that,
This is
mfethu.
not football politics mabhakaniya. These are facts.
Yeah.
Tito can't express himself anymore. That's why you won't see Tito Alkibela.
Yeah, what do unenkinga no Tito? I think we can
Mfana, guys,
conclude.
there's a problem.
I'm just remembering ukuthi ke wamkhipha first half.
Mfethu.
Mfethu, that was a very crucial mfethu decision mfethu. Imagine mfethu on your career mfethu at Tito's level with all the opposition trying to criticize even some of the
Even
Paganias
us,
mfethu
even
yes
us.
mfethu
Tito Nzwana, that guy is a big. Tito first be like he's our captain without winning that.
Yeah,
something.
yeah.
The one to like
Yeah,
it,
yeah,
He's that
100%,
Tito is
yeah.
our captain.
Sure,
The one
sure.
to even the way he reacted after the substitution.
Yeah.
Like, in fact, you
Thank you,
can't.
Paul.
Yeah.
Joking.
You
yeah.
can't, in
Yeah.
fact. You can't
Yeah.
treat it like it's a dancing that just
Ah,
comes from
chill.
DDC. In fact, this guy has been taking cups for us, in fact.
Yeah.
One all.
Sure.
Ofita wena mka treatment esona.
Yeah,
It's
bad.
unacceptable, in fact. It's
not.
unacceptable.
Then
in
umuphi
fact.
treatment
One
eso
all.
mawumfaka. He's a professional.
Yeah.
He goes there.
He goes there,
like
mfethu,
ayenzayo.
sure.
Mara naye lento le for mina again not yena.
Yeah.
Mina iyangidla coach AB. Awuyeke lento yakho.
Hayi ka uyabheda.
Awuyeke le.
Awumphindele yona ngesilungu akasizi izulu.
Leave it.
Fala watsaki mfethu like yaKenya right
Ah,
here.
yabhonga,
YaKenya mfethu one all. Tito Maswanga mfethu was the best player in that pitch mfethu.
Yeah.
By far in our team mfethu. By
Sure.
far.
Bazokubhekisa.
one all. Immediately mfethu when Tito was hooked mfethu. I just saw ra.
Izwa
You
nje.
won't do
Sasebenzi.
anything.
We're not saying
You won't
ukhokho
do
Melon
anything.
there akadlali.
Oh,
Ane? Kodwa take players where they can go to their highest.
Sure.
You understand the coast?
Yeah. And even besides that, Ntwana, if Tito is there, ufakurile, ufakuwa police, imagine. We have Matha.
Asiyazi leyo
Oh,
nto thina
God.
this season.
Next.
Tito
Ntwana.
started well. Mekana 3 goals this season mayiqala.
In
And
fact.
he's
Tito
still,
akasangeni.
he's still amongst our highest scorers this
Then
season.
Tito akasangeni. All of a sudden, why? Coach AP izokutshela.
Coach must do something.
I must really do something. If it's, you must do something. If it's Fatsaki, if it's this is bad. If it's very,
Siyakhala
very bad.
mabhakanisi.
And wabona lento ya enchuka sa Kenya scheme million.
It's
Enchuka
one,
Kenya
one,
scheme. These
too
things
much
would not.
freedom.
Yeah.
Too much freedom sometimes.
It's
Yeah,
not
one
too
all.
good. Yeah.
It's not too
So
good.
sometimes
if it's-
don't you miss chores mfethu.
Yes.
That's the thing ne engifuna ukunibonisa ngayo. Ngiyaphinda, it's not football politics. But Ghost, if unonengo la, ane nengo is something yakho. You must make Nengo to be happy so that Nengo can give you his all.
Sure.
Tina, we've been winning like this because of this squad depth is now.
Yeah, individual
Coach
brilliance.
KP doesn't respect amanye ama-player ntanga.
Yeah.
Yazi ntanga kune-player mfethu urile akumele ahlale ngaphandle.
Yeah.
Sure.
Akumele.
Man.
Yeah.
It's a given.
Yeah.
Mara like urile uyahlala ngaphandle. You understand? I don't have a problem with Masindi. But Masindi mfethu have to end that position there kakuyo ku-Orlando Pirates.
Sure.
But Coach AP gave him. Kuthi na ithatha. Those elements mfethu
Yeah.
uzibhidlizela yona. That's why we lost those 2 games.
Sure.
It's gonna take us back there.
Mfethu we can't afford. Manje wadliwa le ezayo le. Wadliwa le ezayo le coach.
But Mr. Mlambo, just to we obviously will miss Uruveri, yabona.
Cool.
But that shouldn't. This coach has been doing well of it, yabona. You shouldn't bash him too much. You understand? It's just sometimes he makes those odd decisions, or so like those odd decisions, you know. What's nice is that sometimes he makes them and then it works, you know, and then we are
Then
here.
city technician, individual brilliance is cool. Yeah.
Individual, yeah.
Individual brilliance. Mbogazi scoring the sense. Individual
Busiyema
brilliance.
ama long range.
Siyama doing
Busibilibili ama long
you must
range.
check that. It's not his tactics most of the times.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I'm saying, if I know, even motivating the players until to produce those individual brilliances.
Yeah, but motivate the
Oh,
players
enjoy
and then
like
fight
that,
first 11 it is ever.
Yeah.
I know for this game was paid, Mr. Milan. Don't bash him.
I mean,
So khuluma ngabo Jose manje.
No, never like ngikhuluma like iqini like
You know,
uTito.
Jose,
That's why
as
ngikhethe-
Jose mina, the one thing engamkhumbuli ngayo, I didn't like how he left mfana, and I like when he was leaving us, I wasn't with him anymore. But yeah,
into engiyifunayo Ghost ama-player wajabule.
Sure.
Ukubona urile if urile uthanda ukushaya isithende akashaye more futhi a-improve kuso.
Sure.
Don't change urile the way he is because the way Rile was giving us something.
Sure.
Now you're trying to make something out of Rile.
yeah.
Yeah,
You know what I like about this coach. Like most of the time, whenever he does a plan down, so he listens. It's not someone who's stubborn who's saying my way or the highway. One so upegi line up on our next game against Makis. He'll do the right things there. And so I believe so.
Fanele size sithi sizomxosha manje.
Yeah, yabona manje kumele siqale sikhulume kanjani.
Hayi.
Moving on to our number 9 who they didn't want to say
Ngwana tonight. I mean, I'll always appreciate that player. I understand that goes. For me, personally, Nanyas.
Yeah.
It's my favorite one. Score me. But it didn't have a good game now. Nowhere to be found. Because for me, we didn't need a striker school. We needed creativity. You understand? If you find a striker, is chef. Muntu khona ukutrapha 10 or wadlala i1-2 athole space. Scomi won't give you that.
He won't give you that.
How? I'm telling you the truth. Angikushashaya.
He won't give you that.
Ukuthi like yasiphosi kanjani?
It's unbelievable.
Phela. I'm telling you, obviously I'm rating the player on how he is, and I'll also say this. Ngithi mina hayi ukuthi wonke ama game elangene na iscommode. Kunama game ekumele angene ku. But on that one next, we needed creativity school. If like you were number 6 uyangipasa or number 10, umuntu ozokuphasa athole space. He won't give you that.
How is he going to give you?
He's gonna give you ama press. He's gonna give you ukuthi alande ibhola emuva. He's gonna give you ukuthi create ama players space. That's what he's going to give you. There was no space to be created on that game's Ghost. Cardoso was there. Mekangeka move. Mekangamlandeli. That's why athi uGhost uSkomi mekangathi udlala right back.
Right wing.
Right wing. I mean to say. Ucardoso mekahleli la. You understand? That's what Skomi is going to give you. We needed a player ntanga smart mfethu. You understand that there. Umuntu okhona ukudlala ibhola mfethu lapha ayathola ipace. Skomi was not the one. Mbuthuma was not the one for me mfethu. Because asina space ntanga.
But Skomi and Mbuthuma are two different profiles.
Izwa ngithi into engishoyo. Mamela what I'm saying. Umbuthuma nangeka kubekela ibhola athole ispace. Umbuthuma lezi zinekrag. Unecourage. A police busikhulu. Bekwa police la. A police uzokugaya lelo touch lelo.
Yeah.
Athole ibhola. Mina I needed that. First half ngeke ngikhala. Second half we need getting a goal mfethu. We need those individual brilliance. That's why maseke phela igame wayizama borile ukufaka ibhola lapha esense, but you didn't get that from Mbuthuma. Why? Akusinto yakhe. You understand?
Cause let's be honest, like 70%, 80% of our games we playing against low blocks. Yeah, I understand.
But
even
it was
yesterday,
different. This one was different.
It wasn't, eh?
This one was different, the school.
Oh.
Sikukune mesingavuli. Abanye banokuvula banokuzama ukushaya icounter anyana sithole. Isikukune mesihleli lapha sikhulu. Hleli nsi. Mina the game mfethu esake sahlangana ne low block guy problem isiwelele.
Siwelele ngiyakhumbula.
That's siwelele kuphela. But not amanye amateam anokuvula mfethu.
Yeah.
You play against Galants inokuvula igame ilivuleke. You understand? Isikukune danta ngameso keepers. And the striker ngeke sisebenze.
Mina I don't share the same sentiment. If you're playing a low block, we need someone who's going to be creative. And because when you're playing a low block, these guys they'll be congested in the middle.
Yeah.
You understand? If when you go and create space there, they won't follow you. They will stay here. As long as you are not nearer to
the
their
goal.
box, you are not a danger to them. So Mina, for that game, I would have put Umbutuma why? Mawafai. One mistake, which is there. Tepi, in young in danger. Yeah?
Lapha ngeke uyithole.
It's all like Mfethu Mapolo, obvious. Ipolo, the purpose of us going forward is to go to that box. You want someone who's sniffing there, sniffing danger. That if he gets something, young John, not to say Mfethu when Mremi atati rani, ayesayitini uphumile, and then you are crosser, there's no one in the box. Or Mela Buile mover for people and try.
We don't need crosses, Mr. Liquette, in that game, because that's what I'm saying. Crosses are going to find 6 men or 7 men of Skukune. Then it's a waste. What I'm saying, to correct you, we don't need to go to vela umuntu naye ozohlangana nathi license. That's why ngisho ukuthi you are in number 10, you're coming with a ball. I'm a police. Uyangikaya ngiyabeka sikhulu ngithola ispace. That's what I mean. I don't mean ukuthi like now uzofuna ukuloko uyenze creativity yakho there. Sifuna iclever umuntu ozoloko khona ukuthola ispace. That's what I mean.
Tell Mina, when you're playing in low block, I don't think trying to go through the middle is your best option.
What's the best
I think you should penetrate through my side, because already there is congested.
Yeah,
In
yeah.
danger. If you trying to do the same thing, ufunu, like these guys, but now ufunu,
No, phela ntanga ngeke ibe one.
in.
But you can raise your point.
Yeah. So now, what I do if I was Coach AP, tell him Remy, run to the side, and put even that Skomota guy and put him there no mutu,
Sure.
Stay there and wait for those balls. I'm telling you, 1 or 2 will bounce, and then it's okay. If you like that, because immediately when the ball comes, more boxing, there's panic. Even a own goal can come.
Sure.
But if we don't have anyone there in the middle, it will be very difficult. For me, we'll do the same thing. Some will knock,
Bola
some will
vele
knock.
ipazwe.
Sibe ready.
Yeah,
I don't
hear
know.
you.
Man. I don't know how you approach a game like this.
And I'm fit, so I feel like when the team is playing load block, we need as many attacking players as we can get. And I would say, for me, I would lean more towards playing Diski more than wanting to throw the run. Because like even Udihlosa is difficult, and I think that's why Lesiema was not getting the passes or the opportunity to make those passes, because already what Baba said they are not
Bapam
giving you
goalkeeper.
space or what's in behind.
No, now I'm not saying not in behind. I'm saying play through the sides. I want to do 1 2 then tantla buanga zone.
Yeah.
Di shy ka ra mo side thing. How tola space we short.
But you must break them first in Tang.
Yeah.
That's a point.
Uwa breaker,
Yes,
those are it's uwa breaker SID, not to break them in the middle. In the middle is congested.
Uqala phakathi ghosties. Ngiyayizwa lento which is uringiva. Yabo akumele sithi 1 2 sithi esayidini then so cross. Basasekhona there. Mele sidlale mfethu.
Yeah.
Sidlale mfethu. Phela when we play the ball, take the ball to this side, take the ball to this side. Bayakhathala. We take it to that side, we take it to this
Sure.
side. Mase siyithola ngiyayizwa leli point. Mase siyithola lelo side lelo. At least sekune pace.
Yeah.
But if sizothi papa side in.
Sure.
Savaliwe.
And
uyabona.
now I feel like why I'm for Guti, we have more attacking players. It's for those link up plays.
Yeah.
For instance, in Fetu, when they are congested, Momari,
Yeah.
you are not gonna stand still.
Yeah.
Baya
move.
Even though they are not moving a lot, but they are moving a bit. That's what you want.
Corners of break.
Corners of break,
Yeah.
because why you have the creative players.
Yeah.
I can be urile, as you are saying, Guti, I'm coming here pola ngurile uwa police. Guy pola ngithatha run ngathi ngifuna nje just on the side. Nabo sebangibhekile ukuthi uzoguy urile
Uthathe.
uyangithola.
That's what I mean.
You understand? That's how you break them.
Yeah.
But if uzofuna ukuhlala uye side, that's what you are saying. Uzobathola basahleli. You mustn't rush. If you are going to the side, you mustn't rush. It must be that thing. You change.
I'm not against playing the ball.
Yeah.
Now what I'm against is trying to penetrate. There are a lot of them, and I think once you Lona moving the ball too much, I think Skukuni or Errington, when he prepares, Lena, you would have said that to say when they play in front of you, just leave them there, stay in your positions. So I think that will only waste time, only to maybe in 20 minutes you created 2 chances. And if you move it fast to the side, maybe a chance doesn't come. You'll get it again. Try to do the same thing quick, and then you'll end up creating in 20 minutes. You can create 4 chances that way.
But what's better to create more chances and not score, clear one, than creating 2 goals?
Sure.
For you to score.
Yeah.
We
Those
have
two,
quality.
they
Is
won't-
a ghost. Masidlala so. We play the ball with the purpose. We don't play the ball to take it to the side.
Sure.
That's why the ball, we have quality put.
Yeah.
The ball intensity game. Mele siyise phezulu.
Sure.
Bazobreak antanganazi kunzima ukumark.
Yeah, ukhumbula ukuthi mabangaphathanga ibhola malibele
Mele
bayamove
bayamove. Kunalozo
It's
la.
training to them now.
It's training.
Kona la uzothatheka nawe uthi
It's-
mara le close uthi ngithi fast. That's where we
Kanti,
want you.
that's what we want.
Yeah. Uyangithola.
Not
Just
ukuthi
oyi-1 nje ozobhayiza sibakrekile.
Uyabo.
Sine-quality, mfethu. That's
Sure.
when we have to.
But
to
Donna,
use our
imagine when
quality.
udlala disc mfethu, you know how frustrating
Yo,
it is.
kunzima
Ushebe
ukumaka.
opposition intse badlala bolo so mfethu. You learn on moto bana le ntho ya hore ha mane ba fethu let's step and one turn. Oh wena uyi-1.
Uyi-one.
Uzitshela ukuthi hayi man le ngiyayigapesa.
Uyi-one.
Ngiyaphuma
What's you know, it'll get to that if you are 1-0 down and they keep on doing that. That frustration, but if we came here for a draw, Ghost, you don't have ambition of going forward. When you're doing that thing, we'll just smile, really shave fella, keeping shape, once all until it's the same thing. Never. It was clear. Every team that said that to those guys to say, it's a low blow. When they try to play that, just leave them there.
No, I don't think you can leave them there the whole game. It's impossible.
If Ndana, your goal is to play a draw. If you want a point in this game, coach,
Sure.
You telling me you can't do that?
No, you can't. That's like
In
in reality, think about it
On
in reality.
paper, you can.
Yeah, that's like
Not
think
in
when
reality.
as a player or ish. How should be the team in the
To mark
so
it,
Yeah.
Oh, that's smarty wire.
You-
Don't play
we're
battle.
gonna find spaces.
No,
Coach.
it's
sure.
not like it is. Kindona Luna Lagasi is so why.
That's why.
Yeah.
You
No,
need to
that
go-
one
Yeah.
all
You
like
need to go-
you want to score. Luna, you don't want to do the same thing.
Sure.
That one's all. So these guys, I feel like Bato Plum, because Luna Kirle was a goal. Eventually, you'll wanna come. Once all like
listen.
that.
Phela
Kule
upolere
nto
dlala
crazy.
afunya bona ke already. Phela isongo re dlala tikitiki re
Ukuthi
la afunya
we-
rona ke
we
never
play
but
with the purpose.
re tla afunya bona vele. Wa ntsola re ke ra ding
Siyabaqinisa.
Siyabaqinisa and already mfethu upolo re
With the purpose.
dating re na le quality e pa e tsebang go dlala bolo. Wa ntsola re ke ra ding jwa. So hantse re dlala lona ntse le tla ka mo left le tla ka mo right phela o
Fully
polotse
paced
le
nala
space di a
phakathi.
hlahella wa ntsola le ka zulu le move ka sink
We're gonna
you will
break
never
the
be in
puzzle.
sync ka ofela
I'm
hore
telling
re
you.
move droga yi wa ntsola and ka ile rona we are not making the same moves tanga
Sometimes
ya
it's
kwa
faka
o ya
phakathi.
kwa yeah nini
Sometimes
nya
it's
ka yo
faka phakathi.
luise you
If uvalekile
understand
siyalibuyisa.
Yeah.
That's how you break them. That's
Sure,
how you
that's
break
you
them.
must
No,
play, you
or
must play.
sometimes element yakambatha if siyabona ukuthi
long range
ashaya.
sure
Kodwa kuzolisa esayidini sobuya lithola abantu.
that's why ngithi side masjaha so bathola basahleli
No, Anton, I'm not even saying Jaha.
I could have saying quick fast, we go to the left, quick fast, we go to the left. Yakuthola what's quick fast?
Pagania zosiza
Abafakani yakomentana lapho.
Low block mapagania, what's the best approach to approach
Nelimpaze.
team edlali low block anisitsheleni mapagania.
Then moving on to the subs, he did a really Mufokeng and Apolisi for Van Rooyen and Masonganye. 62 minutes.
Coco Melon.
Yeah.
It didn't have a bad game, dang. I'll say that. Didn't have a bad one, I understand.
Yeah.
Unaleli ntanga akathi uliphasa uMbuthuma kancane.
Yeah.
But uMbuthuma mekangeka yenze next cause nangu Khadoso la, I understand. But urile uzamile. Yabo lezi zinto esizikhulumayo ukufaka ibhola la phakathi mekungahlangani, I understand. Didn't have a bad game. But it didn't mina ngifuna urile mfethu amavala Ghost.
Yeah.
Lozo ngise sayidini akudonsa uthi uyamthatha ayenze lokuhlakanipha kwakhe. I feel ngathi make there. Akanaso leso space esincane sokusondeza iplay li1 or i2 hours.
Sure.
Because da ku congested.
Yeah.
You get what I mean?
Yeah.
But it didn't have a bad game. Na ngam guy 7 na ngeke ngicomplain.
Yeah, I didn't have a bad game as well. I think our coach sometimes man be inventive man. Can't you have two number 10s? It's not every game where you need to have a number 10 and a number 8. Every game number 10 and number 8. One so I mean if we playing against a team that doesn't have ambition. One so like it why don't you put another creative player there? One so let Makaula defend one. He's not defending anything either way. One so like it. So that thing of like for like all the time, like
Yeah.
for like anything. I'm not like that in
But
you.
sometimes not like for like yakufakele nje into yakhe nje.
Go on,
Fire
man.
into it.
Nalento leyo futhi your bet, and I agree with you. Like really, he had a decent game.
He did,
So
yeah.
like he had a decent game, although not at the same level as
He should
as
be.
Tito at that game. One so like
Mna mam guy
he
7
he had
uzamile.
nice moments. Even that pass, I don't know.
Ash.
he lost a bit of pace there. Because now for me, he was the favorite.
It's
I
winning.
want to defend us.
There was no
Them
space.
Kavile,
in
Siliga,
that. There was no space.
Yeah.
Mekangeka look. Akuna space in that.
No, that's pace in that. Because I need we forget it. We forget space in. They were running for that ball.
Ukavile phela uKadoso.
That's what
Yeah,
I'm
that's
saying.
what he's saying.
Mina, at that time, Urele Marato to Wishaya.
Mocho ukuthi
It looked
uzokuthola.
like
It's
Mutuma was the
Mutuma's ball,
favorite
yeah,
to
yeah.
get there. One goal.
yeah.
But for the defender to get there, even to I'm round there, I'm told in the yard. I don't know. Mhlambe akana pace vele.
Awukho umadala uKadoso umadala. Yeah, but ngiyakuzwa.
So yeah, really, I think I'll take the 7 as well. Apuli puli.
Ayibona le ya clever le yana nayo ngathi ngahlala ingenile mfethu. That guy doesn't lose the ball, man.
Yeah.
The ball danga lo muntu akadlisa ibhola.
Sure.
And lo muntu lo is always constantly trying to do something in the game. Yabona lapho sibilibili azama ungena abantu. Okay, mekangeka ambona. Mina I'll see him wa police because mengibukela. Usibili
Sure.
mekangeka. Makumbonile mekakuphi lapha ya. Meka lapha yathi score nje mekalindile.
Yeah.
Those kind of things mfethu apolice I feel ngathi naye banokumfaka isikhathi esincane mfethu.
Ne.
Why? Because that guy can give you anything oyifunayo.
The police, players like a police, those are players. Those are not players
bench.
that be put on the bench.
Ilabo bebaboleka ama-cogs.
Mina nginokukhala ukuthi you don't even suffer police.
One all like it's like you don't do that.
It's
Ghost
sure.
no fit. One all.
Yeah.
We know this player is special.
Sure. And he's proved it many times.
One all like
Yeah.
special. This guy like is special.
Sure.
Why in so many benching? What are you trying to prove?
That's why I reckon to ya the impact players. Wabona. Or let's say these are impact players, they are not substitute. Wabona. Ayispana then we clapped for him.
If I Hispania bet.
Yeah, better.
Phela lo muntu uyabonile ipenalty esiyitholile. Cabanga kuba ungene 90 mm esothola ama moments anjalo angakanani.
And uyabona police enye into mfana he has luck. Uyabona ama player nenhlanhla yafuneka
Mfethu
mfethu.
leya isiphandi.
Sure.
Yaphanda.
Yaphanda le.
Yaphanda mfethu ibuye nayo kukudla. Manje
Sure.
lo muntu lo manje uzomuphandisa i20 minutes.
Le ayaphana mfethu yaphana. And I never.
Hayi nava.
Like awusewuthiyela ngore thaba bhathi yethu.
Ngayibona ngathi ayikho futhi ungayinyatha mayobona. Uzoyibona nayo
Hey, I'm going to John. Low sense of gravity mfethu. Like he's strong that guy. It's not someone who can just shove off the
Push,
ball.
yeah.
Labo shota bawo ifuthi hawo uyawasola.
Angithola niyashaya lesa. Awu
Sola.
sekavukile. Angithola sekaye protect. Angithola intention. What's the rating?
Apolice 6 or 7 na uthi nginike njengori. Penalty le asikhulu.
Choose one,
Mr.
Mr.
Rev.
Mlambo, man.
Six.
He had a long break, Mr. Mlambo. Sasha was 6 or 7.
6 or 7.
Six,
So Shapaka 6.5.
6.8. 6.8.
6. Yeah, I think
I think really was
fair.
better than him. So
Yeah.
I would take a 6. Yeah.
Yeah. We gave Masong 7 as well, ne?
Yeah, ngimuphi 7.
But man of the match for us, ne? All of
Yeah.
us.
Yeah, for me hayi.
Nah, definitely.
Mariko Ntanga, he came in at 72 minutes for talent but
Ucoach uzoyenza ukuthi sixabane noMariko and uMariko akusi space sakhe sokuthi sixabane naye.
yeah.
Sure.
Ufunani umgcine nini Mariko?
Yeah.
Sekazi ugunde nama-dreads sithukile. Ngoba sengigcine kudala.
Or epi uyamncane uMariko yazi.
No, he's a good player.
Is
I
he?
mean, for me,
Mariko.
for me, I'll tell you why. He's a good player, but not for that game. Find
Sure.
games to put on Mariko. Ngokutshela ipoint eli-1. Umbathu uyakhona ukushaya. Mariko uzofuna special things.
Yeah.
Asidingi izinto ama-speciality lapha. Sidinga umuntu ozofaka umbhonsi ndoda, ozofaka into uyangithola.
Yeah.
uMariko like on that game mfethu asimdingi nakancane. Okay, yini asisize ngayo? Ngoba uzama ukufaka amabhola naye esenza and lo muntu uzotrapper alibuyise kuye or atrap elimshaya.
Another thing mina ukuthi mawufaka uMariko I don't know what to expect. Like I don't know
What's your
uMariko.
intention?
When now you saying he's a good player, maybe
Mina is.
umbone before
Yazi he's a good
Pirates,
player
because
kanjani?
Pirates I haven't seen anything
Yazi
good
kuMariko
kuMariko mfana.
Nakho siyadlala igame siyalida 2-0 kanjani. Manje we want to keep the shape, we want to keep the ball with us. Put on Mariko there. You'll see.
Mnandi nge-ball rotation.
Uzosiphi ball rotation, uzosiphi strike, uzokubuyiselela ibhola emuva kisele sidini. We good. Askal. But lela game we chasing.
Yeah.
He won't chase with you. You understand?
I mean, that's why into Mariko Mfana. I don't know what to
Mina,
expect. If you
Mfana-
talking, I'm told. Kimagezi Mr. Mlambar is a good player.
Yeah, he is.
Money guy.
That goes to that I'm done with this Mariko. Like I'm done. I want to like you trying to take the league. Like catching it's about a more Mariko.
I thought I
Mariko
wanna-
must play the TDC and get minutes. He'll come back.
Go JP oyenza.
Ndwana, I'm done with Mariko fit. He must get minutes to go TDC.
Yeah,
I
improve,
think he's
yeah.
young as well.
Sure.
He still have potential.
Yeah.
He's not ready for this Orlando Pirates team. fit. Like
I'll
we're
not
trying to
with
win a
that.
major, Ndwana. Like Mariko Ndwana, bye-bye. Mariko Ndwana goes to Ndwana Plomega Montagnani. It's not good enough, Ndwana. To put it simple,
Nothing.
he's not good enough. We have a lot of talent in our opposition. A
Indeed.
lot of it.
Yeah, and even Ndona is a good point. Ndona, how many players can
We have
play?
a lot. Like
Quality
in Ghana, we
players.
are overriding, over talented in that
More
position.
easily, yeah,
One
yeah,
so
yeah.
like we can't afford to sing about Mariko on a game of this
Ish,
magnitude.
we need to win.
It's even worse in Ghana.
And we could have played dancing.
Mina
Dancing
ngithi,
on the
Even
field.
dancing is better than
Mina ngiyaphinda
Mariko.
ngiyasho
fit, one
madoda.
so.
Uko JP usixabanisa nama play.
Sure.
Tactically ndaba.
Yeah.
Coach JP is not good. Tactically Mariko akadingakali lela game. That's why
Sure.
wena uzokhuluma kanje ngoMariko. Cause ungena lapha kungamela ngene khona. Ukwayiba uhambile manje. Cause umfaka kobo
Ghana,
game ama Sundowns.
why they didn't loan this
Mariko.
is like in
I want a team
Ghana,
in Matla. Which team will bat Mariko?
Ghana,
Ni hasho,
like
ni
Mariko
hasho.
Vetu, like let's be honest, Mr. Mlambo now is truly deep down, you know.
No,
fit,
mina
one so.
ngikhuluma into engiyibonayo. He's not a
Ah.
good player. Mina
No,
ngikhuluma
Mara,
into
Mr. Mlambo is
engiyibonayo.
saying he's a good player. That's what I'm asking. Where
Ngithi
did
he's
you
a
see the good
He's
play?
a good player. You asking me ukuthi how I did answer you.
No,
Or
I'm
it's
saying
not enough.
Uguti, maybe you saw him somewhere. Go back to Pirates.
Mfethu,
I haven't seen the good
udlalile
play.
lo muntu lo kwamanye amagame kuPirates. Even his first game,
Mr. Mlambo,
even
let's
MTN
not fool
8 bafethu
ourselves.
Marika kadlalanga first game. Everyone was saying we've got a player here. Now you don't see a player in Mariko cause
Mariko-
coach JP umfaka lapho kungadingakala.
Minanjami from the first minute I saw Mariko, I never saw a player.
Dog,
Even
you must go
today,
back
I
and
still
check
don't
the
see a
first
player.
one.
What's
10-8
our
game.
post? Remember Ndwana, where did Mariko win over the fans?
Style say.
Unalumile ngashashini. And then asali olmutimi.
Yeah, I remember that game, the real stadium.
Real stadium, and then he left up the stadium.
Sure.
Pagania started to cheer.
Sure.
And he said like sometimes you need those players. Abofana na Botito, you know,
Yeah.
who'll do those young John.
Sure.
Mariko, that's the only thing. That's the only thing he did, Coast. Honestly, that's the only thing Mariko did.
I bet,
Mariko felt to. He's not good enough to be.
Okay, what a
He's
wrong
not,
thing did he do kulela game? Ngifuna ukukubonisa something ukuthi iproblem akusuMariko kulela game uco JP yinto wrong akayiyenzile.
Nale shot ayikhabile ayikho.
Lapha uyakhela.
That's
Oh,
the thing.
he
What,
lay a shot
you
in
know
that.
what you can say as well. What's the right thing that
That he
he did in that
did.
game? One so like
What's the
Uzoshela
wrong thing
ngokuphasa
that he
move.
did? No, what's the wrong thing that what he did in
you
that
know
game?
why? You know Kambani, Mr. Mlambo for me, ne?
Yeah.
Mariko is not like Mariko is a bad player. I understand. Mariko is just not good enough to be in this Orlando Pirates team. That's it for me.
I
One
won't
Sure.
say
so-
Nah, that's where you can't discuss.
You know,
Mariko is not better than anyone in that midfield.
yeah,
in terms of the talent we have.
Yes.
I'm
Yes.
saying even Danson is better than Mariko.
In fact, why is Mariko there and Shevchenko not there?
Imagine.
Why is Mariko there and Shevchenko not? What is Mariko going to do?
Ntwana.
He won't do anything.
Namfethi ya Mariko hayi kuyayana.
Ndwana, Mariko Ndwana, he must go there TDC, Ndwana, or he must find a team or
Yeah.
What I like about him is that he's still young, he can still learn. I'm not
Improve,
saying
yeah,
already
yeah.
he won maybe 2 years or 3 years later, he won't get
Sure.
in our squad.
Sure. Yeah.
Surely they saw something in him.
Abamupai.
Sure. And sometimes the scouts they make errors there
Yeah,
and
yeah,
there.
yeah.
You know,
Sure.
like we recently saw.
Mariko.
No, I'm not saying it's an error, but I'm saying that situation here,
Yeah.
it showed you that they made an error. They quickly realized, okay,
I mean, I'll say it
let's
again.
do
Went
this.
back,
It's called
yeah.
JP.
Even Liele wayukula
Mina I'm saying
ile
it again. Tell
yakwangola.
Joe uko JP. Lo mjitelo yadlala amagame anjani? umfaka against iSundowns umfaka kuphi yes sikhona ezinye izinto yena bekanga improve yenza izinto eziright understand nalapha bamphasa amabhola in mara mfethu like iba nesikhathi sokufaka ama player ngawo kwayiba udlale mapha ama game udlale 4 games you must remember 2 against Sundowns.
But too, remember we were complaining when they were putting in dancing game at Sundowns.
Yeah.
What did dancing do?
Spectacular.
Ukorile nje kuphela.
Like every time you see Mariko trying to shoot, you know the ball is going there. Ntwana, like it's not even close to being on target. So Ntwana, like goes to face. Abafetari when serious.
I'm with you, Ntwana. Mariko Ntwana.
Not when we want to win the league. Sundowns putting in players of Mariko's caliber.
Nah, no.
One tall. He won't do it. And I think he even played Koke for Mariko, if I'm not mistaken. Like some of one guy in sure.
Yeah, possible in fact. I think AP one understand.
Uko JP uyenza izinto ezirong mina into engukutshela yona.
Yeah, no vele it's a wrong substitution.
Very wrong one.
A wrong substitution. Moving on to Yanele Mbutsuma for Makgopa 73 minutes.
Nayo Mbutsuma tight. Angeke simfault mara there was no space le ngizwile lokhuluma ngale akaKharuso and I feel ngathi really played a good ball naye uzamile ukuthatha irun grand but there was no space there kunalapha azamile ukushaya la shaya umuntu you understand there was nothing he could have done on that game for me that's how I saw it but ngizomupha 5 for him trying at least Mbutsuma make lapho uyabona ukuthi uyazama umjidi you understand.
That's what I like about Mbutsuma and Mr. Mlambo is that like I want to know we defend, you know, because let's be honest, like during Skomota when Skomota was there,
I knew that was coming, Mapagani.
No, those defenders they didn't have a lot to do, and so because as you said, he was even going to the right in, but immediately when this guy comes. You've been saying Caruso. They're making last-ditch challenges. So you can see someone is chasing everything. He tries. So I fit like between the and I'd put Mbutsuma.
Games are not the same. I'm still telling you that, Machit. I'm a game our fan. That's why I'm telling you that game is strike.
So who's more suited for this game? Okay, maybe they are not the
I said choices. There is no striker. First half we were playing at least well, trying to create. Second half I didn't need a striker there.
Okay, so maybe we don't have creative players on the bench. It's strikers.
I can't say into ngekho because ngikhuluma ngesituation yale game. Isituation yale game costing Sasha. Meli ngadingi striker for me. Angase ngisho kangaki le.
So igame edingi striker ufaka uMbutsuma or uMakgopa.
Kuya ngokuthi sidlala nabantu abanjani ithi ngikubonisa if sizodlala nabantu abanjenge Galanzi iGalanzi ayisisabi mayidlala nathi iGalanzi iyadlala nje iya all out ngiyamfaka uMakgopa unganasesi there because uyakhona ukumdonsa center back there at least ama-agents azokhona ukungena there then maybe ngayenza example njengayiphi enye team for ukuthi now I need Mbutsuma maybe a Golden Arrows as much as Golden Arrows ingasisabi mari Golden Arrows ayikho free mayidlala nathi njengeGalanzi even noma unganasesa ngaya lapha uzolandelwa right back so that's what I'm saying. Mina that's what I'm saying.
I for now
like bafetsa ama game awafana.
But I think it's an unfair question because you know favor
it's not a matter of favoring. It's a matter of which games are not the same and angiqala ukisho leyo nto.
Yeah, but lena mara Mbutsuma lena uzamenyana ntwana.
Uzamile kakhulu.
Yeah.
Uthi umganga ke?
Ngizemka
5, yeah. I think it was average. Do you know to 80 minutes for Moremi?
Angibonanga into ukuthi akayiyenzile. Mase futhi mengiyekho into mekazoyenza. Ko JP umfakelana. Ngizophinda bafethu ko JP uzosixabanisa nama players. Uthi this player is not good here because akana timing. Mapagani akana uhlala experimenta ama formula ingasebenza nda mama ingasebenzi that's why squatter so
this guy
JP izokuthuza
me like ingathi usaku holiday yangithola into njani
uthi
u JP
hayi even noma singayanga ini ngakufakela uMaster Chef kusele 3 minutes against Sundowns uzibuza ukuthi why is this guy doing that udlala kuyenzela lama blender lawo
like mfethu DNO to mfethu like he converted DNO to long ago mfethu to left
back, yeah.
So why now we need a goal now you converted left back now you put him forward say try and get us a goal one so like it get wow like they didn't
I would have understand ke kubukhipha undaba
why uyangithola into enjani
akhipha undaba
he's more attacking of the two
Yeah.
uyangithola into enjani but to take off Muremi and put in DNO to
coach JP yeah
DNO to will get 3 good chances in fact
Yeah.
he'll put them on the side all of
Exactly.
them.
That's what I
Wanithola
was to say.
kile
Yeah.
so when
All three.
okay 80 minutes or ring in fact
That's only one
he's
minute.
still gonna get one wanithola kile this guy moving on to the fans.
my fans always hundreds mfethu
Yeah.
are always there singing
Sold out, ne?
It wasn't sold out,
It
but
wasn't sold
yeah,
out.
Pumile Shema
Awubonile
But I
Mapagara.
didn't see an empty seat there.
ubonile umabaso
Yeah. And I think second half, yeah, it was really,
Yeah.
really packed.
Yeah.
mfethu ama fans it's always hundreds ayile stadium ahleli endlini mfethu it's always hundreds
This coach is leading us down. If it's a Pagani, Pumile.
Yes,
When he
face.
put some cover in
Yo,
black
face.
and white.
Aye.
yo mfethu
So go all out for him, this guy, and he does his own thing. And then the referee, Eugene Mdluli.
yo mega kwatisa lo mchita lo ya kodwa ngaphandle kwepenalty nje mfethu ezinye izinto hayi man let the game flow
You can't
Ungabi
call
ukuthi
for you can't call for the penalty, Mr. Man.
no izwa ngithini
Crucial
izwa
moment.
mangithi khohlwa
Yeah,
ipenalty
yeah,
hayi ngiseza kuyo hayi ukuthi ngithi khohlwa apart from ipenalty noma kube mengekho le mekangekho
His
good.
overall game. Yeah.
Overall game it was not good because like ikophola yadla pop why
Yeah.
nalento le yaka mibanga score isikhukhune le yaka Makhawula that's not a foul isikhulu
Sure.
umthintile nje
Yeah.
Chuku nale ya penalty if you saying that's a
Yes,
foul
yes,
you
yes,
understand
yes,
so you must balance whatever you doing so ngizomka i3 ungwenya
Oh, this guy in front, this guy was bad in front.
Yeah.
This guy was bad in fact. Like when it is in the penalty in Donna, like this guy in Donna, go look at that thing. He's looking at that.
Yeah,
He's
Donna
looking
wanted
at
to
that
see
instance. in fact.
Unovalo.
He's looking at it. in
Like,
fact.
that's really next.
Athi next in fact. One thought.
Aye.
Sundowns pela now it's on to. But immediately when this guy didn't give that thing to us, didn't give that penalty to us.
Yeah.
In my mind, I'm saying this guy wants Sundowns to take the lead.
Yeah,
There's no
yeah,
way,
yeah.
fit. There's no way. We won in fit.
Ah, it's clear,
It's clear, fit.
Yeah.
It's clear, fit. Like poly fit. Keeper was
Keeper
nowhere
was
near the
dead,
ball.
exactly,
One thought.
that's the
He
thing.
took out the man,
Aye.
fit. One thought like it.
Chief.
Ah.
Linesman Lena has a view from the side.
He
Lena
has
with
a view from the side.
Aye.
Now one thought like it. Fit.
Disappointing.
I don't know. I don't know. fit.
Sibathatha apha
But
abarefri.
because Mtor cost 3 points. Fit. Are you aware?
Yeah.
He cost us this 3 points.
Kiana le coach AP.
Ke ena le coach AP one thola ke dai ke jwa phela mfuturo ko ra penalty le mfutu comfortable le da mo
Yeah. Game sealed. Yeah, game sealed.
ne ba tlo zama o tla ne re ka shala ya
Ya
bitu
B2,
one
eh,
thola
eh,
ke dai
eh.
ke jwa
Ava.
bad Ai, at
Mo
3 I
pangaka.
feel like Mr Mlambo is lenient ka 3 eh what did he do right
ngisikale kangako ngifuna ukumupha 0
Phela le penalty vitu singamayinasa mfethu.
zero mfethu
Penalty ri ka penalty, yeah.
what did he do
Nothing really elo ringang you are like, yeah, this is a good decision.
one thola ke dai ke jwa he kept on just blowing
Sure.
blowing
I think 0 is fair mfethu.
Ah,
It was
mfana,
a 0
it deserves
performance.
it, mfana, zero ntwana
nehash
zero
Some guy 3 ukuthi uboni throw in ukuthi yale.
mfethu
Akame kancane.
for attending the game
For attending the
Hey,
game, collecting the
because
check.
he
He was
came
present.
there. Yes, he came to collect the check.
Yeah, chief. Take us serious.
Sazi. And then moving right along, Mr. Mlambo, on Saturday. Is it Saturday or Sunday? Game against
Saturday.
Saturday. Okay, Saturday.
Yeah. Home ground.
makesi
Yeah, it's my case.
esigodini
Ashifana yo.
When last?
and imakesi nayo bazosikoloda baze baphume la ku-Betway bazoze barelegate basikoloda mahlangana nabo siyabulala ngithi sikukune sikini istress manje mabe 5 nozaya sihloniphe.
Sure.
That's how you do it mfethu. If you saying you're a champion you must set the trend. Coach JB must make right things, tactically must be good. Mfethu you have everything goes to nayo yonke into.
Mfethu.
Yeah, I think you can quickly try and predict the starting 11.
Chain
Yeah, Chain obvious it'll be there.
Libito if he's back cela buye Hoto we can say
How to come back, ne?
yeah Chabatane I'd like to see him back for
Yeah,
Kwanzaa.
yeah.
Magi ngabuya
That's a
Siyema
good shout,
continues. Makhehleni back, Mbatha there, Tito there, Rile left or right anywhere. We have Apolis back. Morema aga rest kancane. Then I can go with Komota or Mbutu between the two.
Yeah, let's put him both two, man. I think Donna will be Mr. Blum. I'd really like to see that Chabatani guy. I mean, he was on the bench, ne?
Yeah.
Like how like him in say you know Switzy won't give you a goal. Maybe that Chabatani guy. We saw
It's something.
technically they were one. Maybe we would have came with something.
Sure.
He insisted on playing back four.
Yes.
That back four just seated at the back doing nothing.
Nothing. Come on, get Chain, it's back 5. Makaula, back 6.
Yeah, but I think that's a strong lineup, Mr. Mlam. What do you think of Mr. Mlambo's lineup now?
Yeah, I think for me, Ntanga, I would agree with the lineup. Just in Ndaba for Hoto for me, then yeah.
Nenkinga no Hoto ne?
Angnanking, I just like Undaba more than Hoto in that position. I feel
In
like
what aspect? Like yini ekenza ukuthi uthanda uNdaba ukudlula uHoto?
because Hoto Ntanga will just frustrate you for me.
But it's
like,
gonna give you the line.
yeah,
You
then the
would-
line and
it's
then
a channel.
he gets the ball and does nonsense. And then I must raise my hopes. Abe boxina kabelele lazkhon. Mfethu mina I prefer Undaba umuntu ozodlala ibhola mfethu siye phambili.
Unokuclasha
Uyangithola.
naye.
Yeah.
Unokuclasha.
You know I would accept intwana encane iclasha.
Hayi,
Umuntu omdala
cool.
mfethu ozowenza into
He's not
zakhe.
young. That's the problem with South Africa.
Yeah.
Ndaba is not young. I mean, I'll say that.
How old is he?
23, you young. Foden ukushayela ngama-EPL i5 mfanami.
Wenzeni?
Sekakushayela ngama-EPL i5 makina
Mara,
23.
yeah,
So we
no,
must
yeah,
change
but
that
I hear
mindset.
that.
of-
Yeah, but we are not there angithi.
Yeah,
But-
like we must change it. I think we want to win the World Cup.
But Ntwana is not reading. Let's be honest.
He is.
Although it's not, for me it's not enough. Although Otto will frustrate you like it, Mara Otto gives you slightly a bit and the experience as well when you compare it to Ndaba. Ndaba for me, he'll do a decent job in defending.
Sure.
He doesn't. He's shy even on going forward. He goes there and there. Otto will always be there. So
Yeah.
we need as many attacking threats as possible. We know Otto Lena is not good enough. I'm not saying Otto is good enough.
But you're saying it's better than the two.
Yeah, I'm
the
saying
better of the
it's
two.
better than the two. And that's one position you need to address. I think that Tatana said it.
Sure.
And I agree with him as well. We need to address that situation. But with what we have, let's put that that Otto guy there.
Ayanizwa.
And Wawana V, he makes Sema better as well. And at least he has that option of that diagonal pass.
Channel le ngikhuluma ngayo.
Wenza.
Siyakhona ukuphuma fast
Yeah.
Yeah.
sesiphambili.
Let's put Otto there.
Asingamfaka madoda mare. Yeah. Nyamazi ukuthi you must know what to expect.
But we must expect the good from this guy.
The stadium Robert.
And then I go score 0-0. Yes. Yeah. Uthi.
Don't you think this Mremi guy we can try him go left back? He can be a good left back.
Overlap.
It
can be another Spilibili.
Yeah, Spilibili.
Mawuzomela masimdlalisa kanjalo sidlala nga5, sidlala ngama wing backs or sidlale nga4 still.
No,
4.
Phela if then ngapha ku right kudlale bani angithi uyazi
Olibitsi,
ukuthi
angithi Sky Olibitsi.
oh bashintshisane so
Hey,
okay
I think he can do a great job. Because you must find a way for him to be in the lineup as well.
Yeah.
This guy is dangerous. I like this Burevi guy. Predictions, I'll go first.
Ashay lokhu cha. Lokhu ayichenjanga ne.
yeah it's a fun
Yeah, we just added one game Mapagania. But the points awachinchanga, we got the prediction wrong sonke. So not much has changed there. We still on 21 matches played, and Fayo Sapezulu at 23, Nengo at 20, Ghost closely behind at 18.
yo yakemele like ihlobiswe isho ukuthi nani
Mr. Mlambo. Mr. Mlambo akazifunani Mapagania.
ukude usemuva semgqeni
When I was looping so now Saturday.
hayi khohle awu uyacabanga le ndoda yasiyakhuluma ibheke phezulu
I'll give it to Orlando Pirates on me.
Yes, Godini.
this guy
Let's give him a chance. Uzoyilungisa.
3-0
3-0.
3-0
Fine. As in,
Ayankopa.
I'll say 2-0.
ayankopa 2026
Next program. 2-0. Yeah, 2-0 Pirates. Yeah. 2-0 Pirates Mapagania. Nisherele nani lapho Mapagania kuma comments ukuthi what are you predicting for Saturday against Makesi?
yeah
Yeah.
Good to be back, Mapagania. We came to the end of the show, Buffet to love, Mr. Mlambo.
asibongile kunjalo noma kubhlungu mabhakaniya niyabona inhliziyo zethu zibhlungu e-studio khala bo 6-5
Yeah.
I understand but it's part of the game yeah ayiko ukuthi konke sekuluziwe please keep on supporting us loving us sizonipha le content
Danko Mapagania. Sihlangana ineSkodini Saturday bafethu. Sibulala iMakesi. Sivaleni le show madoda. Bopha.
Bopha.
Bopha.